Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video for today's project, which is this absolutely little cute Matchbox build. I am featuring the Sweet Stockings designer series paper, and you're going to find that in the July to December mini catalog, which encompasses a lot of our holiday products. So cute. The die cut was from the message box dies thing, and I just use the labels for what I need. So if you would like to learn how to put this box together, it's really simple. You can see that there's an extra sturdy bit in the front and it's a nice smooth inside. I would like to share it with you, so stay tuned. All right, here we have the inside box. So this is the inside box that we're going to be making. The cardstock that you need is 5 5/8 by 7, and on on all the 4 sides we are going to score at 1.5. So here we go. We're scoring at 1.5 on all 4 sides. For the outside box, we have a piece of cardstock that is 4 by 9, and we are scoring at 1/2, 2, 4 3/4, 6 1/4, and that's it. Let's fold and burnish all of our score lines. So this is the outer shell. And then this is the inside. And then this is the box. All right. So I am going to do some trimming on this one. So we go up on the score line and then we wedge out. And we're going to do that with all of these squares. You don't need a big wedge, you just need a little bit of a one. And you want to cut these so that they are going, so you wouldn't cut them this way. You want to cut them so that the tabs adhere to this pull side. And it's just because we want really a lot of stability on those edges, because we are going to be pulling from this side. So these pieces have to be really, really sturdy. All right, here's my Seal Plus. I have, I want my adhesive close to the score line and close to the free edge. Close to the score line and free edge. Score line and free edge. I am going to put adhesive on the free edge here and score line, and same with the other side. And then on this one, I'm going to just put, actually, I'm going to put adhesive on this tab here. All right, so let's put everything together first. I'm going to take this scored edge all the way up to the free edge here. All right, so, and you can see it looks a little messy here and here. So that's where I came in with this. So you want to fold this down. You want to put the rectangle piece in and then just pop the sides up. Easy. So now, if we did it properly, there it is. I mean, and I did not put any adhesive on the bottom and it's bowing a little. So what I would do here is I would pull this right back up and I would put some adhesive down in the middle, right in the middle. So then, now it can't stick up. Perfect. All right, and then what we wanted to put this box together first so that when I put the box itself, I will be able to sort of put this wrap around the box and have it fit perfectly. So you don't want it so snug that you cannot move the box in and out. So you want to loosely put it together. There we go. We could do a testing here. Now, I have to show you this. This never happens. This is probably the first time in my paper crafting career that this actually lined up perfectly. Are you kidding me? So what I'm going to do is pretty much the same. I have adhesive on both sides, both edges, and there is no creasing for the designer series paper. I did not want to do that. What I did want to do is to be able to put my designer series paper down kind of in the middle, and using my fingers, hopefully that's nice and straight. And then I just wrap it around and I burnish with my fingers as I go. So this way your paper will always be perfectly around this particular box. Okay, I mean, you could put, if you wanted, you could put score lines in, but I always find that this is a better route to go. And then if you wanted to make the extra special creases here, we certainly can do that. All right, that is so cute. First of all, this kitty right here, I love this kitty. He's so disheartened about having these silly little reindeer. He makes me laugh. All right, we're going to stamp with Stays On ink the sentiment that says warmest wishes. All right, here we go. Close enough. All right, so you can see that my little sentiment piece, which came from the messages dies, and oh, I will say this, the stamp came from Through It Together, the right here, warmest wishes. So it kind of fits, but not quite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip off the end here, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of adhesive, nothing, and I'm gonna neutralize the stickiness. Then I'm gonna try it on the back side, and I'm basically creating myself a template to which to cut out. So there's the little template, and then I will just cut around and then remove. And now here's a piece of extra card. I think I'm going to use Old Olive for this. So this is exactly what I did for this one. I used Cherry Cobbler, however. Right now I'm using Old Olive Light. And I am just coloring the cardstock to the color that I like. And I think I should have used Old Olive Dark. And now all we have to do is put dimensional adhesive on the back of our Warmest Wishes sentiment. So cute, this paper. Oh! The paper is called Sweet Stockings. And seriously, it is cute. If you're a pet person, or if you want to get your pets a nice Christmas present, it's got the alcohol on it, and it really doesn't want to stick right now. All right, here we go. So look at that little parakeet. I gotta cover him up though. Super cute. So this is a Matchbox build. Went together really quickly. It's using the Sweet Stocking Designer Series paper. It's absolutely adorable. My kitties will most likely be getting their little treats in this for Christmas. You can see all the supplies that I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supply selection of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.